the daily poison we fill our minds up with daily leads us to true mental turmoil and mental health destruction. And really, phones, scrolling, it's the opposite of how we're meant to live and how we're meant to, from our biology, it's not healthy for our minds at all. And that's why I encourage everyone to go and chase a bird, go climb a tree, go chase a butterfly. There's nothing more simpler than doing a simple task that doesn't lead to anything. So if you keep that in mind, you can start to do tasks that actually move your brain power forward. Do tasks that don't rot your brain but make your brain grow. And it's so easy to get in that trap. It's so easy to get back in the trap of scrolling through your phone. And I've just been back in that trap really hardcore, and it's really affected my mental health. And the good thing is I can now see that from a mile away. But phone addiction is a real thing. Phone addiction will get you, and if you're not careful, and if you're just not satisfied with where you are, you will get sucked in. It's not that there's nothing you can do about it, but it's a mental hijacking product. Phones are a mental hijacking product, and it will get you in the long run. And that's why I encourage to try putting the phone down, even when you don't think you need to. Put the phone down. Think on your own. Don't let media control what you think. Don't let all the thoughts of everything from all angles manipulate what you would like to think and change the way you think about yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to watch more educational content about autism and how to be an independent young man on the autism spectrum. Anyway, thank you.